Folks, anybody in the market for a skylight, take a look at this beauty. This particular skylight is a Velux Skylight and it's solar powered. Now what's so great about that is this thing runs automatically. All I'm going to do is activate the little activator here. I hit this little button and that baby's closing. You can hear the motor. It's a very quiet motor, all right? So when you have these high skylights in your home, and you don't have this thing going on, trying to hook up to the big, twisty thing up there and cranking with the crank, you need to find places to hide it. So this thing there's no hard wiring involved. It operates beautifully, and the major plus to this is this comes with a rain sensor automatically built into it. So if you're sitting around, whatever, you go downtown and a shower comes in, it just closes automatically. It's an awesome feature. So with that 30% federal tax credit you get with this, that's off the labor and the material involved installing this job. So it's really a pretty sweet deal. So if you're in the market for a skylight, keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump outside and just do a quick picture from a ladder so you get to see what the sensor actually looks like. I'll be back in a flash. Okay, folks, I'm on the outside right now. You can look at that. That's just standard looking skylight. But you see that little solar panel in front? There's a little battery within that mechanism that stores the power, and it just works anytime you push the button. So listen, if you're in the market for any skylights, keep A&A Services in mind. Look us up at a-aservices.com. Thanks for listening and have a great day.